Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create realistic AI avatar for free AI video generator in 2025. So this is the studio.dig.com and make sure you will have logged in. And if I just tap on it, create a video and engage your audience with the lifelike AI avatar videos. So you will just have to use it, and there's premium options. And if I just tap on it like AI generated, and you will just select it the avatar like over here like this one, and you will just give them emotions like natural, or if you scroll down and from here you will just select the tone, and if you just give them a script you will just have add on your script like so. I will just tap on it and let's play it how it's work.
Introducing the iPhone 16 Pro Max, where innovation meets elegance. Mobile phone, close up of the display, featuring a
So this is the script, and you will just have to tab on generate option, so just tap on it. So the video is successfully generated, and I will just show you that how it's played.
iPhone 16 Pro Max, where innovation meets elegance. Mobile phone, close up of the display, featuring a stunning 6.9.
So you will just get them options like copy link, as it as new, and delete it and share directly and download it. I will just show you the basic and short and simple tutorial to how to create a realistic AI avatar, and you will just also create your own. If I just go on the home page, so you will just create your own. You will just add your personal photo or video footage, and you will just operate it like as it is. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.